Hello viewers, today we will discuss about reproduction in organisms, asexual reproduction, chapter 1. This is G.R. Bhagyasri. What is meant by reproduction? Reproduction is a vital part without which species cannot survive. Reproduction is of two types. One is asexual reproduction, second one is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction enables more variants. So Panchanan Maheshwari was born in November 1904. He was most distinguished botanist in India and in the world also. He was inspired by his teacher Dr. V. Dudgeon. Maheshwari developed interest in botany, especially in morphology. He worked on embryological aspects in taxonomy. He established Center of Research in Embryology and Tissue Culture. He emphasized the need of the work on artificial culture of immature embryos. His work on test tube fertilization and intra-aviation pollination. So let us continue the discussion. What is a lifespan? The period from birth to natural death of an organism represents its lifespan. Lifespan of different animals you can see here in the table. African elephant 60 to 70 years, Asian elephant 48 to 48 years, rose plant 5 to 7 years, dog 10 to 13 years, banana tree 25 years and cow 18 to 22 years. Butterfly 12 months, crow 10 to 15 years, parrot 40 years, crocodile 70 years, horse 25 to 30 years, fruit fly 40 to 50 days, rice plant 3 to 7 months, tortoise 150 years, banyan tree 200 years. Lifespan of an organism is not related to their body sizes. No individual is immortal except single-celled organisms. So reproduction is a biological process in which organisms give rise to young ones similar to itself. Internal physiology and several other factors are collectively responsible for how an individual reproduces. So reproduction is a biological process that gives rise to an young ones of similar to itself. So there are two types of reproductions, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. First one is asexual reproduction. When offspring is produced by single parent or without involvement of gamete formation, it is called asexual reproduction. Without involvement of gamete formation, so the offsprings will be produced by a single parent. Single parent is capable of producing offsprings. Offsprings are not only identical but also exact copy of their parents. Clone is used where offsprings likely to be some morphologically and genetically same. That is called cloning. Asexual reproduction is common in single-celled organisms. Cell division itself is a mode of reproduction in protists and monerons. Binary fission is common in many single-celled organisms. Binary fission where a cell divides into two halves, example amoeba and paramecium. Here you can see the binary fission of amoeba and paramecium. How amoeba divides into two individuals. So it will break into two parts. It enlarges its body and divides into two parts. So, and then here paramecium also, like the same way, the micronucleus and macronucleus enlarges, and there it divides, and the nuclei divides into two macronuclei. Macronucleus and micronucleus divides into two parts, and then after that it will divide in between the middle of the center of the body and divides into two individuals. Body seen in yeast. Yeast is produces its offsprings by budding. It is called asexual reproduction through budding. Budding means a small bud like growth will be seen in the paramecium body, and then it again becomes an individual like. Okay. Asexual reproduction through zoospores also. Algae reproduces through zoospores. So here you can see zoospores, how the body from the body zoospores spreading, and then they become like an individual. And conidia in penicillium. So penicillium asexual reproduction through conidia, conidiospores. They are called conidiospores, and then these spores divide separately and spread separately, and then they will become an individual organism. Here you can see buds in hydra. So small buds develop to hydra, and then that bud divides and separates from the body of the parent body, and then it separates and leads a separate life of hydra. Here you can see the gemmules in sponges. You know sponges? Do you know sponges? So these sponges asexually reproduces through gemmules. This is called gemmule part, and then these gemmules separates from the body of the sponges, and they leads a separate life, individual life. They becomes an individual and leads a separate life. Okay. Vegetative reproduction is also a type of asexual reproduction in plants. Vegetative propagation through runners, suckers, rhizome, tuber, offset, bulb. Here there is no involvement of two parent plants. The most invasive weed of aquatic plants hide water hyacinth, rhizome in banana, notches in bryophyllum, because there is no need of parent plant. From the same plant, rhizomes or suckers or through runners or tuber or offset or bulb, they will arises from the same parent plant, and then they will separate, and you can plant it separately, and then they rises into an individual plant. This is seen in bryophyllum, banana. You know all those things. You can take the banana separately, banana plant, small plant separately, and then bryophyllum, small leaf-like structures will be. This is through leafy vegetative propagation through leaves. Small individual plant gets leaf-like structures on the edge of the leaf. So you can see the vegetative propagation through leaves.